Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nella for those of you who don't know, and returning for the second, third time on this channel are these two, my younger sisters, and we are going to play a game. Now in today's video, I'm going to be playing Who Knows Me Better. Who do you think will win? She know me longer, but she fast. So let's see who knows me better. Alright guys, now without further ado, let's get into the video. Shout out to my subscriber of the day, the person who commented in the video, and I'll be just thinking their comment up here in the video. And I want to thank you guys for all your continued support and for continuing watching my videos, for reaching out, for liking, commenting, sharing. And if you're interested in travel content, lifestyle, hauls, just some good fun and advice, then this is definitely the channel for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow them on the Makeup Arcade and Purpose Set for all of your accessory needs. Now, enough jibber jabbering, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first question is, come on. Alright, so the first question is, I'm going to start off, just light question that everybody's supposed to know, and then we're gonna build up. What is my favorite color? Red. What do you say? Alright, they are both
at
correct.
Like the same time.
Yeah, you must answer as soon as my
So like count off 1, 2.
Alright, so yes, my favorite color is red. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? Anyways, alright. The next thing is, where did I go to high school?
Campion College.
And guess what Campion school colors are?
Red, white, purple.
No, well not purple, but
red and white. Red and white.
Yeah, so those are my school colors. So 2 apiece, 1 apiece, no repeat, no hesitation, no concentration. Anyway.
So we're supposed to guess that's a part of the question too?
No, I was just singing the song.
Okay.
Alright, so those are 2 apiece. Who will keep score?
Oh, she get 2 apiece.
Should it say the question was campion and red?
What is red and white?
No, meaning my favorite color was red.
But I said she just want to argue.
Alright.
No, alright, whatever.
Alright, the next thing is, if I could live anywhere, where would it be?
Not Jamaica. Okay, Greece, Rome. Something like that.
Paris or Italy.
Some European country. Sweden.
Sweden?
I don't know. I know that like Greece and Italy, that's the only places I know.
Although I would love to live in Italy and Greece, the correct answer is, drumroll please. No, Australia.
Wow. Okay.
I want to live in Australia for a while, but I do definitely want to live in Italy and Greece as well. So I guess I can give you guys half a point but it's not the number 1 place I want to live. But I do want to spend a year or 2 in Italy and Greece and stuff like that. But it's not the place. Even though I know I plan to retire in Jamaica. I actually plan to retire in Jamaica. Alright. What makes me angry?
When people buy your clothes, or take your clothes then. When people drive bad on the road, some people can't drive good on the road, so it's kind of annoying. When people choke down at her, like for example, suppose you talk to her in a certain tone, she'll get angry back on you because she don't want to be talking in a certain tone. When she don't take no chat from nobody. She'll take chat and smash a bad girl. I just looking. Some people think that when people treat her like so, she don't have sense. So that's what she does.
You guys are correct. All of those things make me angry. Every single one of those things.
But she already was so much. So what? She asked one thing, she never asked 100. So
whatever. Okay. What is my favorite, or who is my favorite artist?
As in local, Jamaican or American?
You can give local, and then after that, the next question is who's my favorite international artist. So local. And you can give, there are two, I have two favorite local artists, so you can just pick.
Coffee, I don't know.
No.
Agent Sasko.
No.
Wait, hold on there. Local. Jesus. Can't go on to some counting again. Oli. I don't know some of the best got to act like them too. I know some of them people there. Itana, Alien.
Yo, you guys just don't know.
Itana, Alien. Oh, Chronics.
Yes.
Chronics.
Oh, I can't. Yes, Chronics. That is one. And the next one is testing 1 3. We're not testing. That's about you. Busy Signal.
Oh, I don't even know. I never know Busy Signal.
Alright, how much question we got? We just gotta ask. Alright. Who is my favorite band?
Backstreet Boys and NSYNC.
Not NSYNC.
So what's that name?
Backstreet Boys is correct, but not NSYNC.
So who's the other people them?
My other
Cheetah Girls?
No.
B2K, I don't know.
No, my other favorite band. So yes,
Green Days. The people that were saying, what am again? With
yes,
yeah,
Maroon 5.
Danny and yes, your teeth.
Backstreet Boys, Maroon 5, and the third one you guys probably won't know. So I'm just telling you, Queen.
I think I've heard of that.
Can anybody
whatever.
find me?
Are they the one that said we?
Yeah, we will rock you, rock you. So Olivia get the point. The next one is who's my favorite girl group?
Cheetah Girls.
No.
Beyonce them. Say my name.
No.
What are they doing? Oh my gosh. I don't even know what's girl group. Little Mix.
Little Mix. Olivia, that's not like your age.
But I know, I think I know which one you're talking about. I don't know. So, okay, I Google them.
No. Alright.
Wait, no, let me try guess the Kalanga. Do we know that are they a common name? Like are they popular? They're very popular?
Not in no. Back in the day.
If you wanna be that people.
Yes.
Spice Girls.
Yes.
Spice Girls.
If you wanna be my
because I know songs, I don't know artists, okay? Whatever. I got it. I got the name. You got the song. Anyone knows any Spice Girls? Shut up.
Good question. Alright. Who was I named after?
Mommy. No, a model in America. Well, not America. A model. I don't know.
Yeah, what's her name is?
Orneika.
Well, obviously, what's her last name?
I don't know.
Ornella Muti. She's a French actress and model.
I can't say Olivia win this. I'm so out of this.
What is my favorite sport to watch? You can tell me one or two.
Basketball.
Yeah, and?
Football.
Yeah, or you can get the point. Basketball and football. I like to watch them. If I was to go to a karaoke night, what song would I sing?
If you want to be my idol.
Yeah. If you want to be
There's
my
a next one that I'm thinking of.
the
Pretty Girl song.
Pretty Girl Rock?
Or maybe should I sing, what's your name again? I don't remember that song. But she loves singing. Girls just wanna have. No, not that.
Girl in the mind. Yeah, she's right.
No, but there's also a next song. What a girl name again?
But there's another song that I always sing too. That I always hear. Listen, baby, ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, or sugar pie, honey bun. You know that I love you. Yeah.
Okay,
So yeah, but yeah,
Okay.
Spice of My Life is one of them, and
Orneika,
girls just wanna have fun. All right. Which would I rather do? Wash the dishes, clean the bathroom, or vacuum the house?
Wash the dishes.
Duh.
Cause that's easier.
Obviously.
I don't know what none of them was.
Who is my favorite? What is my favorite book series?
Harry Potter.
Veronica Archie.
Percy Jackson.
Nancy
Drew.
Percy Jackson is one of them. Yeah, it is.
Is it Harry Potter one?
No, it's not.
The Chronicles of Narnia.
No.
Superhero show, any superhero?
No, it's not. It's a book, not TV show.
No.
But Percy Jackson, I'll accept Percy Jackson. So Percy Jackson, how do I get the point?
What's the other ones?
Hmm?
So for the next time.
I'm not telling you because the next one is the answer to what is my favorite movie series. Answer that one. What's my favorite movie series?
Teenage.
Teenage.
Girl A, the one with the A. Floor, Iron Man, something like that.
No.
Teen Wolf.
No.
Avatar.
Oh my god.
I don't know.
Is a movie too? And it's a
I said movie series and a book, yeah.
Doctor Strange.
Pretty Little Liars.
No, just
Flash.
give up.
What brand franchise?
Oh no, just give up and
No,
Avengers.
No.
Is a love movie?
Maze
No.
Runner.
Is a
Matrix.
adventure movie? Is an adventure movie?
Yes, it is.
Percy Jackson.
No. I like the books. I never like the movie too much. For Percy Jackson. But the series I like.
Is it an adventure movie?
Yeah, fantasy adventure.
Doctor. Wait, how is it? Alice in the Wonderland.
I'm just gonna tell you guys.
Wait, no, the girl with the shoes, the Darcy.
No, none
Okay.
of the above.
Wait, now we're not something there. We have to still take it.
Alright, I'll give you a hint.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
I'm gonna give you a hint. My precious.
Snow White.
My precious.
Sleeping Beauty.
No. Wanna give up now?
Is a witch show?
No.
Why is it My Precious?
Wanna give up now?
No.
I'm just gonna tell you.
Whatever, somebody.
My favorite series to watch is The Lord of the Rings.
I wouldn't have guessed that. But
Okay.
I guess that's common.
Alright, who is my favorite superhero?
Flash.
Duh.
Okay.
Can't believe Olivia never get that. Olivia, you're slacking. Orneika gets the point. Alright. What did I want to be as a child?
A doctor.
Duh. I live my dreams. I go hard or go home.
So, that one team of fear question, do that mean whatever.
That's why you should have known it.
What? Whatever.
Okay. What was to be the name of the first baby I delivered?
Or never.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright.
I said this earlier today, to be honest.
Yeah.
Whatever, next.
Another question. What is my favorite genre of music?
Rock, no, pop. Dancehall. Dancehall? That's strange.
But I have a caveat. It's old school dancehall, not this new hot mess that they have going on.
Dancehall, up to now, okay. What if she say R&B or something?
Yes, you may listen to R&B music, girl.
Of course.
Okay, who is my favorite international artist?
Right now?
In general,
What about the girl?
it's two.
Lizzo?
No,
Rihanna?
no,
One Direction.
no,
Beyonce?
no,
Kelly Rowland?
no,
Mariah Carey?
Madonna.
no,
Katy Perry.
no,
Whitney
Nicki
Houston?
Minaj.
no.
Is it common? Is a common artist now?
Camila
Yeah.
Cabello.
She?
Selena Gomez.
Her?
No. Not a modern artist, but she's still relevant.
Sierra?
No.
Shakira?
No. Even though my hips don't lie, it's not Shakira.
Kiki Palmer.
No, not
Wait,
struggle
so it's
bad.
not Tom Holland art, which is still Brandy?
No, not struggle bad.
Is that girl? Is that girl?
Yes, it's
Is
two
she
girls.
black?
Yes. I'm rooting
Keisha
for everybody
Cole?
black. No.
Keisha Cole, Mary J. Blige?
Mariah
No.
Carey.
No.
My eyes American girl.
Let me see.
Now you
I roast out on black guy, mostly opposed from the East Coast to the
Virgin,
LA
you
Coast.
know?
Is it kids?
Brandy?
You say no.
Yes, well, she's not black.
Hot boy.
Oh,
You got what I
Miss
want.
Elliott?
Yes.
Okay.
And who's the other one?
She black again?
Yes.
Alea?
No. Yeah, this is my chalice. Champagne in my palace.
I don't remember her name. But
You know who she is?
You play that song
we
in
got
the
it.
car enough time.
Exactly, so you must know.
I don't know the name of the
You sure it says not Lizzo? Though? I was saying she play Lizzo too.
No, yeah, I play Lisa, but she's not my favorite.
Ashanti?
No, she's
I know
more
the
modern
song.
than Miss Elliott.
I know the
She's
song.
a
but I
dancer.
don't know.
She love dance?
Something about power, blah blah blah. Something in the song, blah blah blah. I can't remember the song. Yeah. Just tell
What
her.
letter I start with?
Should I
Give me a song clue, like when the
I just did.
She just
sing it back over.
Champagne in my champagne in my chalice. Wonderland, but my alias is Azan. Cause we gonna for the mother riot, and we gonna put them on a diet.
I don't. You're not gonna know the artist.
Alicia, no, not Alicia Keys.
You're not gonna know the artist.
Pink like the center of her, baby pink. Olivia, your phone can't stop go off.
Here. I guess she's black. Alright, fine.
Janelle Monáe.
But no,
For all of these.
I knew it was Janelle Monáe. Like, I had an idea. What? Come on, she song. She always weird and or not weird, so.
Wow. This is what my sisters think of me. What sport did I do in high school?
Water
Swimming.
swimming.
What about you play netball? You do netball one.
Not in high school, but that swimming and water polo. Water polo is more though.
Yeah.
Let's see. Did I play video games growing up?
Yeah.
Why not?
Growing up?
Not real video games, like you know those toys that
Pokemon.
boys.
Yeah.
I never played video games growing up.
It's like the what the food
I
is
played
called Game Boy or whatever.
I never played Game Boy.
Okay, whatever. Next.
Alright. What should I ask you guys?
Near TV question you ask right here, so.
It's not teething questions, it's questions that wanna sit around and see me do.
I was supposed to say what video game, whatever the band when you band. What band after? So I couldn't know that. You said when you're growing.
Oh my god, you guys are so what is one thing I would change about myself?
Yeah, well, you want to reach out.
If me not reach this year, next year,
I think body
past.
wise.
I just said one thing to change about myself. Next year, now pass, cause my born as a sufferer.
Your smile,
No, I love my smile.
your hair,
No,
your eyes.
no. I have to be physical. It couldn't be a personality flaw.
That's it should be more.
I said anything. I never said it have to be
That's
physical.
her neck or
that you're easily angry.
Yeah, that is true.
What?
What is my nickname?
Nella.
Nella Bella.
Okay.
Nails.
Nelsa. Olivia call her Nelsa.
Alright, what is a hobby that I have?
Reading.
Adventure,
Vlogging.
traveling. You know, travel.
Yeah, both of you guys got it. Okay, let me see. How often do I buy clothes?
After,
No, that's not
like maybe once a month or so.
once every 2 months, 3 months.
She's correct. I don't buy once a month. It's not in my budget.
Okay.
What age do I want to retire?
50.
60.
30. No,
65.
obviously not 30. 40. 80.
55, 58, 60,
70. 65.
No.
59,
55.
No.
45.
35.
Yeah, 35.
So early.
Yeah, wanna live the life. So live your life. Hey, who is my favorite Avenger?
Who is your favorite adventure?
Avenger.
Thor.
No.
Okay.
As in adventure,
Arrow-
as
the
in the
Arrow
show,
guy.
the adventure of the show.
Avenger
The
per
arrow guy, the one with the arrow.
Hawkeye?
Yeah.
No.
The girl them.
No.
Scarlet.
No. Scarlet Witch, no.
The one, the red guy
I don't know
who have the
none
power,
of them.
who did have the Infinity Stone in him head.
No.
Whatever.
Vision, no.
Yeah. The girl who protect him.
I don't know
Phoenix,
anybody in adventure. I don't remember them.
Iron Man.
No.
Hulk.
No.
Captain America.
You're going to go through the entire Avenger list?
Yes.
No, only can't get the point. Is Captain America and Black Panther, okay?
Black Panther barely part of the adventure. What you are trying to say?
Anyway, but you could even get Captain America. You have to go through the entire Avenger roster.
Because he's basic.
The man is the Man of Steel
Next.
in the Marvel
That's what they
universe.
said about.
No.
Oh my God, what is wrong with you people?
But they done already?
No, what is my favorite food?
Pasta.
My favorite food is pasta. Your favorite food?
Just
Their favorite. I don't think pasta is their
wings,
favorite food.
burgers,
Curry.
No, it's actually pasta.
Pasta is a
Like, but specific shrimp,
Shrimp
Alfredo pasta.
whatever. Next.
Okay, if I'm going to the movie, what kind of movie am I watching? What kind
Adventure.
of genre?
Adventure.
Or
Romance.
not really.
drama,
No.
Fiction.
comedy.
Dancing.
Yes, a comedy, not. Let's see. What is the longest I've gone without sleeping?
A day.
What do you say?
2 days.
Orneika, you can't change your answer after you say it's 1 day still.
You didn't have double duty. Don't tell me lie. Please answer your cues.
So we never sleep another duty.
Anyways, next question.
Okay. What question we must ask? I don't know. I feel like I'm run out of question. Let us pause and see what other question I have. Who would I want to play in a movie of my life? Come in the video. Who would I want to play in a movie of my life?
Superhero.
No,
Wonder Woman.
no, I said who would I want to play me?
Oh. Jenna Money.
Who would you want to play?
Me.
Was it supposed to answer the question?
Alright, we can skip that question.
Guys, I don't want that. I don't know that one day.
Okay, what is my zodiac sign?
Leo.
What do you say?
Leah.
Correct.
I would know.
What was the name of my prep school?
Celebrate Preparatory School.
Whatever. I knew that one too.
Who am I more like, my mother or my father?
Your mother.
Really?
Yes.
Why is it that?
Because they're easily annoyed and angry and love cause people and things about them parts.
I have never told anybody about them.
She don't tell about chicken parts, every chicken part, from the length to the tight to the weight.
What was my favorite subject in school?
Science, biology, chemistry,
Math.
physics.
It was math.
Oh, that's weird.
Who was my favorite teacher in prep school?
Miss Lucas.
Olivia, you know the thing, man. You didn't know that?
I know one you never like.
Who was my what was my first pet, or who was my first pet? What the pet name?
A dog. Spot.
Yeah.
But she said, what was her first pet?
So
She said, what's her first pet name? That's foolishness. Spot could be a cat.
Oh my god. Let me see. What's my most embarrassing moment from when I was a child?
When they drop?
Oh, you know, so.
I don't know this case.
When I fell out of a Ford F-150, it was not a good look. Not a good look at all. Who's of the two of you, whose personality is most similar to mine?
Olivia's.
Why I say that?
Because I like school supplies, she doesn't.
Who is the kindest one?
Me, obviously.
Since when?
Okay.
You're not the kindest. Olivia is the kindest.
Olivia's not
You're the
kindest.
nicest, but not the kindest.
Olivia's not kind, but not to me then.
That's a lie.
Obviously, she's not kind to me. Olivia not kind to me. Mommy get her kind to me. That
Mommy,
don't make no sense. She can't kind to me.
What if I was
The
a
kindness is my
kind
mother.
and she wouldn't be able to
The
scam
kindness
me?
is my mother then, because none of them not kind then.
Olivia is the kindest.
Olivia's not the kindest.
Mommy agrees, so.
Mommy can't agree. Mommy's not even.
Mommy literally just said.
If it's that easy to scam me, that means I'm very kind.
No, it's not easy to scam her. You have to give her back something. It must say, yo, Olivia.
No,
Whatever. Let's not argue with
dope
it.
him
Next
back
question.
up the
Next
door. You seem
question.
free and nice.
Next question.
Alright, where would I live in Jamaica?
Mountain.
Oh,
No.
Cheerios.
No.
Grand Spin.
What a
Beverly
stress!
Beverly Hills, Cherry Garden,
No.
Black Hill.
Not staying at Kingston.
Mandeville.
No.
Portland.
Portland.
Yeah, duh.
I said it first. Next. Oh, you're the kindest.
What time do I usually wake up?
8 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
8
7 o'clock.
8 o'clock?
7 o'clock.
Yes, 7 o'clock.
Next.
Well, it's usually 6. The first time I wake up is usually 6:30, but then I don't come out of my bed till 7, so.
Next question. Because I don't want to lose.
Okay, what question you want to ask me?
Can I get money?
Orneika, you have to pay attention to the camera, you know, miss.
May I think it out, man?
Ooh. Who is the oldest family member I was exposed to?
Your great grandmother.
No, actually, no.
Your grand aunt? Your great grand aunt?
Well, great grandmother is, yeah, but she's not the oldest person.
Your great grand aunt and grand aunt?
Would I rather eat a bag of chips or a bar of chocolate?
Bar of chocolate.
That's not true, you know. It depends. Depends on the mood, actually. Alright. If I was to be in a Harry Potter, would I be in Gryffindor, Slytherin, or Ravenclaw? Or Hufflepuff?
Hufflepuff.
No? Why?
Gryffindor.
Yeah. Because
I don't even know what you're talking about, so, but I know. Like, we don't know what you're talking about, but anyways.
There. Which Disney character am I?
Mickey.
Mickey?
Lizzie McGuire.
Why would I be Mickey?
That's what I
I think that's what Raven is a better choice.
Lizzie McGuire. She. And Phil from the Phil. Whatever.
That's sorry, but I guess.
Do I play any instruments?
No.
No, not for just
Record.
tell
I
people
must,
so.
I must record.
Alright, where is my dream travel destination? No, I said where I would want to live, but my dream travel destination is
Bahamas.
No.
The B place that
Bali.
everybody wants.
Bali? No.
Maui.
No.
Japan.
You guys actually said
Philippines.
no.
Greece. Rome.
Yeah, Greece and Rome. What is my favorite board game?
Scrabble.
Ludo.
Uno. Wait, Uno's a board game?
I don't think so.
Chess.
You ever see me play chess in my
You
life?
never have a
Domino.
chess board. Domino play on board half of the time.
I would say Scrabble. Scammer them there. Alright guys, so I think that's it for enough Who Knows Me Better. Who you think won?
Me.
Team Olivia or Team Orneika?
Olivia never will know. Olivia get some thief with answers. Olivia's a thief and I can't do
Only a
that.
scammer would know a thief.
That's such a lie. You can't call about a scammer. You can't style.
Who me scam?
You can't call
You
us
guys-
nobody.
Calm down, children. Calm down. You guys can tell me down below who you think won, if you're keeping score, if it was Olivia or Orneika. And if you guys want them back on my channel, then you know, comment down below, tell them
Get her monetized so she can pay us next time. That's me saying.
Yeah. Wow, money.
If you want us back on there, you get her monetized and you know how it have to go.
And that is on period. Okay? Alright guys. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this video wasn't too boring. I did have some fun with us and you get to know me a little bit better via them and see what them know about me, if they've been stalking me all their life or not. And until next time, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to
Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Alright guys, and you heard it from them first. You need to subscribe. We're going to get
And
monetized.
like to this page, please.
Please and thanks, and support their businesses. They are young entrepreneurs. They're not beg nobody nothing. They might do them thing themselves. Right. Cause we is more than just, we are trying girls. We are trying on the YouTube and them try on the business. So support us. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Peace.
Whoa, that was crazy.